Let's discuss cleaning and sanitation programs. Foodborne illness prevention in food establishments relies on regular facility maintenance and cleaning to control microbial activity and discourage environments that are hospitable to their growth. Food establishments need to have a regular cleaning and sanitation program in place that addresses all aspects of the facility, including the physical facilities, grounds, ventilation system, floors and drains, as well as the walls and ceilings, plumbing, and the maintenance tools. Establishing a written standard operating procedure for cleaning and sanitizing each piece of equipment or facility area will ensure that the employees are attending in detail to sites that could harbor microorganisms or larger pests. Here we see an employee going through the food establishment's process for cleaning their drains on the processing floor. They remove the covers with a special tool and then return the tool to its designated storage area, separate from other cleaning tools. Cleaning the drain is part of a routine cleaning and sanitation schedule that is executed during times that avoid contaminating or compromising food being prepared or served, usually after food has been put away and stored for the day, unless there is an emergency spill or other situation that must be cleaned up immediately. Using dustless methods such as foaming or mopping will help to minimize contamination from airborne sources. Note that they are required to wear appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE during this entire process. Using color-coded tools to match the area being cleaned is a good practice to prevent cross-contamination. This facility has black brushes, which are only used when cleaning the drains, and then after they rinse the cleaning agent, and finally return the drain's cover, they switch to red tools for use on the floor, like the squeegee we see here. Lastly, there should be a regular inspection program in place to identify any areas that may need maintenance and repair. These issues should then be addressed in a timely manner to prevent areas of microbial contamination from coming into contact with food.